Hello, the new version of Cedreo has arrived with lots of wonderful surprises, and the HD visual stage is one of the major evolutions of this update. In the Options panel you can still find the Parameter tab. You can then choose the environment of your rendering. In the old version, you had to click here to open this page. You could then make your choice. Now, these possibilities appear directly in the Options panel. Automatic sun positioning is proposed. You can also manually position the sun. You can recognize them thanks to the small pictogram in the shape of a sun. The controls for positioning the sun can be found here. Or you can use the mouse in the work area. Just click and hold on one of the two circles, then move the mouse to change the height or the orientation. You can also see the sun's orientation on the preview window. Still in the parameters, the second icon allows you to manage the positioning of the camera. It can be moved the same as in the other 3D steps using the mouse in the work area. It can also be moved using the preview window. One of the great major new features of this version is in the second tab. You can now save viewpoints. By clicking on this button, the viewpoint is saved. A simple click on one of the saved viewpoints will put the camera back to the desired location. These viewpoints can also be used directly on the preview window. In the old version, finding an identical point of view was almost impossible. Thanks to this new feature, one click is enough. In the old version, after choosing the environment, you could choose between different formats for the rendering. Now, the different image formats can be found right here. Again, in the old version, to know how many renders remain in your subscription, you had to go back to the project manager, click here, then on Profile, and finally access the render counter. Now, the number of renderings which are still available on your subscription before the end of the month is visible just below the name of each format. Just click on this button to create the visual. The estimated rendering time appears here. Another major change in the new version of Cedreo is the introduction of the gallery. By clicking on the Gallery tab, you will be able to access all the visuals that have been created for this project. It will then be possible to download them from the gallery. We hope you will love this new version of Cedreo as much as we do, and don't forget, the coaches are always there to help you.